Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade and customize your weapons in Battlefield 6. So just click on loadouts right here, select one of your characters, so Assault, Engineer, Support, Recon, and that's pretty much it. So I will select for this tutorial Engineer, and as you can see I have SMG. So if I want to customize it, just click X, and right here you can select put various attachments that you unlock by leveling up. So as you can see, this will be available at level 19 and all etc. So how you can change it? So let's say I want to change this under barrel, and I can select two different under barrels right here. So that's basically how you customize your weapon in Battlefield 6. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.